February 2nd is National Hedgehog Day. These little cuties are so popular that there is now a day dedicated to them. There are a total of 14 species of hedgehogs in the world, many concentrated in Europe, Africa, and Asia. These nocturnal, solitary animals are most often found in green spaces such as gardens, woods, and parks. And of course, hedgerows are a particularly popular place for these mammals to hang out. In some parts of the world, populations of this animal are sadly declining, seemingly due to a variety of complex factors such as habitat loss due to urbanization and agriculture, food scarcity due to pesticide use, and disease caused by parasites. If we are fortunate enough to have a garden, the primary habitat for this animal, then we can turn it into a safe place for this animal. Always check for thorny visitors before mowing the lawn and leave escaped roots in the pond or water feature. If we come across this animal in need, keep it warm and provide it with cat or dog food and fresh water. We can then take it to a local rescue center. There are many more things we can do to make our gardens more conducive to this animal. Planting a variety of plants will increase the number of insects in the garden, providing a tasty meal for any such animals that pass through. We can even encourage them to make a home in our gardens by making a cozy nest with some wood and leaves to build a small home for this animal. Perhaps the best way to celebrate this day is to help protect these thorny but lovable creatures. On this day, in some places, some organizations and charities also offer the opportunity to help people adopt a hedgehog. Baking a hedgehog cake is great fun, especially with the kids, and we can even sell our cakes to raise money for charities that protect these animals. No matter how we celebrate, it will be an exciting day. This is our painting with all your pastels for this special day. Have a wonderful National Hedgehog Day. Cheers!